Yeah, man, leverage, I don't know, so we had to do it free and
Yeah,
that's
roach,
it.
watch your approach, you know?
Yeah, roach, you don't know.
Represent for protocol.
Yeah, man. Alright, the dog bless me up on the soccer, them say that's the real thing, you see? The leverage, yeah. Yo, welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. You don't know, say your boy Eclips, aka Leverage Boss. And today, yes, short come to an end. So watch me, as you see in our description, and follow me back to Florida. So I'll make few stops and show you the process and then show you the airport and all them things. I want to say, it's a self-explanatory. So you know the leverage. Remember for you always like, comment, share and subscribe. And if for the first time watching Leverage Boss TV, you know a leverage, man. Leverage. You see me? Appreciate all of you. So watch your journey, watch your process. Right now, we're in Kingston. So, you know it thing go. Data leverage. Sani. No, we are cut out and answer something to leverage Boss TV. Leverage. Data leverage, so we are sure about right now, you see? Accept card? Let me get no, 12 piece chicken only?
No, we sell 9, 15, 21. You can buy 2 chickens.
Can buy two?
250. Or 903.
Alright, let me get there. 993. You can't buy chicken only, so you have to put that one box. What how much in three?
Huh?
You make a how much is the difference?
No, that's 12 pieces, I don't know.
No, I'm gonna say what the price? What the price difference? Like 9. How much is 15? How much is 15 only? Yeah? Yeah, it's like, Let me just get the
No, she
15
can't try
piece
this one.
only.
She's not coming only for you now.
Why?
I'm going to get a barbecue. Thanks. Yeah, leverage nation, so when KFC against that, we know we can't go back without the chicken, you know? Yeah. So see the menu there. That is it. So we get the chicken. Alright, leverage nation, we just check in and go through security, and apparently the escalator now works, so I have to take the stairs. As you can see right there, so security measures. See them there? Building security. Right now, one bag of pan and bag. Try go duty free. So I can get, you know. We get back with it now. Yeah man, leverage, you don't know, so we did the duty free and
Yeah, road, watch your approach, you know?
yeah, road, you don't know.
Represent for protocol.
Yeah man. Alright, the dog bless me up on the soccer them say that's the real thing, you see it? Alright, bless up. Yeah, say the real thing, so that oh yeah, you see it? Yeah man. Buy a couple things then man. I say soccer. Maybe I'm gonna think I can show you how I go on with it, but when I drinks them man, I saw. But check out the airport. Yeah man, Jamaica, it's been fun. Sad always have that sad feeling when you leave, but I don't know anything go. We back again now. Here's April. Yeah man. Island Grill and Burger King. Yeah, so right now we are go to the plane. I must say, I tell you, check the time, you know. I always do this. Oh, okay, we have ample amount of time. So yeah, now we get the goodies, the KFC, the rum. Alright, on the flight, you know the leverage. Yeah man. So we are walk on JetBlue there, but I don't know that we are take the Spirit. So we are walk around and sit. Yeah, man. Came up down there, so the plane them there, so probably which gate?
I'm going to man.
They don't put the gate number on it?
I don't know to say it my first time.
Gate. I don't see the gate. They're supposed to have a gate like how mine. Ask them and they'll show you something. Because around there a lot of things. Yeah. Oh, okay. So, which flight is it? Airways? Probably maybe when you come around here, so you will see. Yeah, Leverage Nation. Look around here, so you don't know the picture, the famous picture them on the wall. Gang himself, as usual, you know. Easy back. Change the wall over here. Go down to the gate then. So we are go down to the gate then. So Leverage Nation we get back to now and we are lift off on the plane. That's it. You know the leverage. So yeah, Leverage Nation, we're there wait on the flight. Now we're chilling by the scene and looking out, you know. We wait on them to get ready kinda early first, but yeah, you know the leverage, so we check back in with them, you know, we just stay and chillax, you know. Yeah. Bam. Foot door. Bam. See style. So we did one JetBlue there go. Ooh. That is it. You know. Yeah, Leverage Nation, we're there chilling now. And guess who there up on the phone? Leverage, man. Leverage, man.
Leverage.
Yeah. Just there go on easy, you know. Fire up. But you see, Fort Lauderdale. Yeah, man. You know a Leverage, man. So we're there go and chill out, see me and I go on easy. And I wait for the flight, you know. You see? Yeah, man. That. I don't know if the music can interrupt me, so I'm not able to vlog too much right here, so. But yeah, you know what I think, man. Alright, Leverage Nation, is 12:41 right now. And we're gonna see if the flight is getting prepared. No, we have a small drink. And yes, they're out in the line there. The line there. We have a full line either way. So we're gonna see. Try to go on the plane, you know. Yeah. Bad. So now we're gonna wait in the line. And see, so we get back with you now when they're on the plane. Is it? Leverage. So, Leverage Nation, I guess my bag with 2 packs, so I have to dash some clothes instead of pay for this, because I have a bag for my back alone. So yeah, but we are going right now. So we get back to now, we are left for half our reach, and that is a closing. So always remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. That's it. That's a Leverage. Going to check in now. Immigration, and then we are out here. Border protection. So come off our plane, so we get back to one car. We are going border protection, yeah? That's all Leverage. And we're out. That's a Leverage Nation. Reach back in them town, you know? Yeah, man. That's true. That's why I don't like travel with bag more time. Because I literally spend like 5 minutes in there. Everybody else like a wait on the line. But now, the longest thing I'm supposed to be waiting on is a car to come from me right now. So yeah, man, big up on yourself, Leverage Nation. This vlog was fun, although let me do I guess the manager lady for Spirit with Dede or something, and then we do my bag, the bag I came up with, right? The bag that I came up with. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, them I say, oh, you look too fat. Them want charge it for carry on. I'm just have 1 bag and my duty free with the KFC in it. What the hell? The 2 thief, man. The people are break. I just go and take out some of my clothes, like some white tee we have and all that stuff. You never get to wash. Yeah, throw it in the garbage because they don't want that, and then you can't fit in at the thing with them stuff measure. But big up the general still where they don't want help out same way. All of them that didn't job, see thing or no thing go. Yeah. Big up again, big up to the duty free. You see me? G right there, thing, man. Yeah, man, that's a Leverage, man. Big up on yourself. We're back in at the place. You see it? That's a Leverage, man. Look, see all the road there, so. Yeah. Right now we are waiting for the car, them will come down. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. That's a Leverage travel wrap from Jamaica to Fort Lauderdale once again. Yeah, man, big up on yourself.